Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make these beautiful, elegant rose gold quilled earrings. Let's see the materials that are required for this. We need 12 3mm white strips, oval shaped border buddy, some glue, scissors, 6 silver colored jump rings, 2 silver color studs, white stone lace, silver, pink and gold pearl metallic colors. So let's begin. Cut one strip into half. Join it with one strip to make it 1.5 strips. Now roll this strip onto the border buddy in the second level. Secure it with glue and cut the extra strip. Now gently push it and remove it from the tool. Similarly, make 8 shapes, 4 for each earring. Now it's time to paint the shapes. To get the rose gold color, mix the pearl metallic pink, gold and silver in 2:4:1 ratio. Keep the consistency a little thick. Now paint the shape on all the sides. Similarly, make it for all the remaining shapes. Now it's time to join the shapes. Open the jump ring and place 2 shapes into the jump ring. Now close the jump ring using your fingers, or you can also use a plier, and secure it tight. Similarly, join 4 shapes to make each earring. Now it's time to decorate our earrings. Cut a stone from the stone lace. Hold the stone lace with a forceps and add the glue to the side of the stone and fix it on the inner corner of the shape. Similarly, attach the stones for the rest of the shapes. Now that the earrings are decorated, we need to attach the studs to complete the earring. Add some glue to the stud and fix it on the reverse side of the earring. Repeat the same for both the earrings and allow them to dry for at least about 2 hours. Voila! Our earrings are ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks a lot for watching.